The title of this mini podcast is The Culture Trap. Many years ago, I heard it said that most women lead lives of dissatisfaction and most men lead lives of frustration. I wondered how that came to be, and here's the answer that came to me. They're caught in the culture trap. We've been conditioned our entire lives that there's a should way to be. And when we don't measure up, we follow a path towards dissatisfaction or frustration. That should way is dictated by culture, whose leading mouthpiece is advertising. You don't have to wonder about the accuracy of that last statement, especially when you listen to a still popular song from almost 60 years ago. I Can't Get No Satisfaction by the Rolling Stones. The lyrics tell a cultural tale. When I'm driving in my car and the man comes on the radio, he's telling me more and more about some useless information supposed to drive my imagination. The lyrics go on to say, when I'm watching my TV and a man comes on and tells me how white my shirts can be, but he can't be a man 'cause he doesn't smoke the same cigarette as me, I can't get no satisfaction. It's dissatisfying when we can't look as good as the model in the makeup commercial, no matter how many brands we buy. And how frustrating is it that we aren't as ripped as the man in the military recruitment poster or underwear ad? The culture trap goes well past looks. It invades our sense of self and tells us if we don't have this or that, we will be dissatisfied or frustrated. And when we're there, they're right there with us with a salve or elixir that will solve our dilemma. The message we hear from culture our entire lives is, you're not enough. Sad to say, that message is never going away because it's so potent and profitable. But there is a way out of the culture trap. The first step is to notice you're in it. Just by noticing where you are gives you a leg up on those who don't know they're trapped. They think this is their fate. Once you know your current location, it's easier to plot a path towards where you want to go, instead of being led to where culture wants you to be. Next, ask yourself, who would I be without what's on TV? Or TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, WhatsApp, et al. The answer you'll eventually hear is enough. This doesn't mean resigning yourself to wearing sackcloth or disavowing all your possessions, positions, or potions. It simply means you're enough without any of them. Once you own that realization, you can easily extricate yourself from the culture trap and find the comfort of your own skin. All the best, John